Hello, this is Arnold. In this chapter 20, we'll be talking about how to locate number 17a test on the graph. Let's have a recall. So, humana ta sa Fouriers, humana ta sa base out limits, karon kay na ta sa base in limits, which is the part 2, which is about locating 17a. If ang sa base out limits kay locating to siya sa 16a, karon sa base in limits kay sa 17a. So how do we locate number 17a test? Once there is already a base in line, we can now locate any 17a finding you want at any distance with or without auxiliary lens. 17a findings na tanong. Karon, kaya natin rules. Balik-balik ng rules, so dili na ko magbalik-balik sa og storya. So, again, we will continue with this example. Gikan ni siya sa chapter 19 nato. So, muna na siyang naporma, no? Bale, naanatay base in limit line. So, very good. Check na ta. So, next step is to know or solve the TSA on the given TD. So, maka-locate na ta. Sige, unsa may given nga rin sa ato 20? Locate number 17A at 8 inches with plano auxiliary lens. So, nga to nahon buhaton nga rin kay ang pag-adjust sa ato AD according to the test distance. So, 40 over 8 is equal to 5. AL is equals to 0 because it is specified here that PLAL. So our TSA here is 5. Then CD is equals to plus 30 because 5 times 6 is equals to 30. And then, we are now tasked to find these two, kining PM and TC. So same ra gyud steps sa paglocate nato sa Fourier and the base out. So, ato kitaon karon ang TSA asa siya natunong asa man siya natunong ngari. So that is ordo or the 0. So TC is equals to 0. Now that we have the value of 0, we can solve for the PM. So 0 minus 30, gikan siya sa TC minus CD. So, ato PM is negative 30. And then, don't forget na i-box na sad ang tulo. So, plot lang. Okay, next given. Locate number 17A at 40 inches. 40 divided by 40 is equal to 1. That's why our AD here is 1. AL is equals to negative 150 because wala na specify nga rin na AL, so we can assume nga sa near distance siya. We will use the old RX MSE according to the conditional, di ba? Since this is test number 17A. And AL here stimulates the accommodation, that's why TSA is equal to 2.50. And our CD here is plus 6 because 1 times 6 equals to 6. So, mangita na sa tanang PM and TC, unahon na sa nga to TC. So, asa man ni nakalocate ang ato 2.50 na diri. 2.50 asa man siya na igo. So, since this is na siya sa base in, sa negative na ni siya na side. So, magpabalik ka og ihap. So, 10, 9, 8. So, siya sa may 8. So, negative 8. Because this is base in. So, ayaw gig kalimot sa sign. Because if you put there a plus, that would be considered wrong. Now that you have the TC value, you can solve for the PM. So negative 8 minus 6 equals to negative 14. So maka-substitute na tayo rin na value. Then you can check CD is equal to plus 6. Plus 6 minus 14 is equals to minus 8. Which is correct. Onya, mag-plot na dahin ka. And it is circle. Why? Because number 17A, just like 16A, is blur. Then we have here 22. Locate 17A at 25 centimeters. 100 divided by 25 is equals to 4. That's why our AD here is 4. Ato AL nga rin kay negative 150 because ang ato lens in place nga rin sa 17A is the old RX. That's why our TSA here is 550. CD is equals to 24 because 4 times 6 is equals to 24. And now we are to locate 550 here. 550. So, na siya dayori dapita. So, na siya padungad to sa base out because more than 0 naman siya. So, nasiguro siya sa mga plus 2, which is correct. So, TC is equals to plus 2. That is possible. Yes. Because ang ato linya nga kay ni cross biya siya padungad to. However, ato PM jud kay always negative. So PM is equals to TC minus CD, 2 minus 24, so equals negative 22. Now, na natay value ani, maka-answer na ta ani with the 3 boxes. Now, we can plot this number 22 na nangari. So, napurma na ang ato kining tulo ka linya. Nanatay base in line, nanatay Fourier line, and nanatay base out line. So, that would be all for this video. I hope you have learned anything from this video. The next topic would be about